So it's December 29th, 2013, and after many delays, I finally have a warm garage. The vapor barrier is done, all sealed up. Walls have been insulated. The ceiling has its first layer of insulation, 4 inches. Later I'm going to pump some more insulation up into the ceiling. You can see the vapor barrier has been sealed with acoustic sealant, and where necessary I've used tuck tape. What we're looking at now is a drywall lift that I bought from Princess Auto, hopefully to make the job of installing drywall a lot easier. Take a closer look here at some of the ceiling work. Drywall or vapor barrier sealing. Each electrical outlet has been put into a special plastic box, and the box has been sealed with this tuck tape to the vapor barrier, and even the probably can't see it in this one, but where the wire perforates the polyethylene box, there's sealant around that wire as well, making a really good airtight seal. Same thing for the panel, although the panel doesn't get its own poly box. And a welding outlet. So, long time coming, lots of delays, but finally, thanks to that little puppy up there, I have a warm garage. Looking forward to getting the drywall done and getting her painted and getting moved in.